If your blind spot monitoring warning light stays on or keeps flashing, don't worry, it's usually not a major issue, and you can often fix it without using a scanner. The BSM system uses sensors on the rear bumper to detect vehicles in your blind spots. When that light appears, it often means the system has been temporarily disabled, not necessarily broken. First, make sure the rear bumper sensors are clean. Dirt, mud, or even heavy rain can block the signal. Gently wipe both sides of the rear bumper where the sensors are located. Next, check that there's no damage or aftermarket accessory covering the sensors. Things like bumper stickers, bike racks, or mud flaps can interfere with the signal. If everything looks fine, try this simple reset. Turn off your ignition completely, wait about 30 seconds, then restart the car. Drive for a few minutes above 10 miles per hour. The BSM system often reinitializes automatically once it detects movement. If the light still stays on, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery for about 10 minutes, then reconnect it. This helps reset the electronic control modules and can sometimes clear the warning. If the warning comes back or doesn't go away, it could indicate a faulty sensor, wiring issue, or software fault, and in that case, it's best to have it checked by a qualified technician. So try these steps first. They work in most cases. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment your car's make and model below. I'll reply with specific advice for your vehicle.